county counsel is?
I don't. Are you speaking with me? I'm sorry.
Oh, who's that? Oh, I'm sorry. Is this Miss? Oh, is this Miss Tella?
Yes. It's Miss Cardiel. Yes.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much for calling in. I'm just going to put you in our virtual lobby for a minute while we get all the lawyers together, and then I'll readmit you. Okay?
Okay. No problem. Hey.
All right. Hang on. Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Shayna Days. Yes. I believe that Paula Baum is county counsel for this matter, and she waived her appearance. I don't know if she will be appearing, but no, that's right. She did waive her appearance. Okay, you're right. Thank you. Okay, so I don't really need to put you in the lobby then. I think we have everybody here, Ms. Tella.
Okay.
So I believe we have everybody here. I'm just going to mute everyone, and then I'm going to ask everybody to make their appearances. So we'll begin with and I'll begin with calling the case. This is number 13. This is in the matter of Angelina Tella, and the court indicates that Ms. Baum, county counsel, had waived her appearance for purposes of just relieving counsel and appointing new counsel. And then, Ms. Day, do you want to make your appearance, please? Certainly. This is Shayna Day, that's PLC 5, counsel for the minor who is not present. All right, and then Ms. Adebaza, would you like to make your appearance? Oh, I'm sorry. There we are.
Am I heard now, Your Honor?
You are heard. I did unmute you. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Sahar Adabzadeh, last name A as in apple, D as in David, A as in apple, B as in boy, Z as in zebra, A as in apple, D as in David, E as in Edward, H as in Harry, from the law offices of Vincent W. Davis.
All right, and Mr. Davis had already filed a motion, but we didn't have an order, so we wanted to make sure that we could reach out to, now wait a minute. Yes, Miss Tella. Miss Tella, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
There she is. We wanted to reach out to you, to Mother, and also to find out if Ms. Horton is able to accept appointment. Ms. Horton?
Thank you, Your Honor. I just need to have a conversation with her. If she would give me her phone number, I can call her right now, and then at the end of that conversation, presumably I'll be able to pick up.
Your Honor?
Right.
Oh, there you are. Hi, Mr. Leffeland.
How are you, Your Honor?
Very well, thank you.
Mother said she's going to visit there.
She is. She did appear, and somebody from your firm is appearing as well.
Let's see. Davis, I think, is his motion withdrawal for the father on calendar today, too?
No.
Mr. Tella?
Mr. Tella is not on the calendar. Hang on, I'm just muting everybody because I couldn't hear you. Just one moment, and then I'll make you. I'll get you on. Hang on. So did I misunderstand the appearance by Miss Adabzadeh?
I don't know who that is. I'm a solo practitioner.
All right.
Mr. D.
Well, I don't know why this person would be appearing here today because there is nothing on calendar except your motion.
Your Honor, I believe she's going to pick up the mother. She might be a private attorney.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah.
This is Shayna Davis speaking. Your Honor, I believe she said she was from Mr. Davis's firm, and Mr. Davis's firm represents the father.
All right, let's go off the record. Just a moment. We're going off the record, and I'm muting everyone. Okay. All right. And Ms. Abdazeh, would you please let us know what's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. My office, the law offices of Vincent W. Davis, represents father Jason Tella. We had filed a motion to be relieved back in May. However, we assumed that this hearing was for the relief of our office as well as Mr. Lacerando.
No, I had already relieved your office on July 15th. You had an order, and I signed it. And I thought we had something. I thought we had it.
It would mean no one represents the father.
No, I understand. But that was, I just need to talk to Mark because that was going to be set for a status conference to see if we can advance and vacate it to handle it today. So just give me 5 minutes. I'm going to call Mark. I know you have to go back to trial. So I'm going to relieve you, Mr. Lasalento, and you are no longer counsel of record for Ms. Tella. Ms. Horton will call Ms. Tella and speak with her, and we'll come back in 5 minutes to see if
Yes? One question.
Okay, just a minute. Let me mute everyone because it's very hard to understand everybody. Hang on just 1 second. Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. What was said on the record? If I missed anything, I'm curious because I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. When her name is Carniel, Mr. Keller is the father. I would like to know.
The only thing I just assumed that someone from your office was stepping in. We had just called the case and people made their appearances. But it was improper for Miss Odd. She shouldn't have made an appearance in the case. So I'll just correct that when we go on the record.
Your Honor, that might be my fault because the message I got from the clerk was last week I thought Mr. Davis's motion was being continued today because I wasn't there, and that we were going to do both motions today. So I called Mr. Davis personally, and I thought it was both motions. So I will take responsibility based on the communication I have with the clerk. I want the court to know in good faith I thought both motions were being heard today. I spoke to Mr. Davis's office to make sure somebody was there if their motion was being heard, because once I heard, I got a call from the clerk 2 days ago, I believe it was, when the 15th or whatever date it was, and I asked that we could put my advance and vacate the August 5th date for my motion to be heard, because I filed my motion in May, and it wasn't going to be heard until August 5th, so we need to vacate the August 5th date for my motion on that date. So we advanced it to today.
Okay. Well, here's what we're going to do. Who represented father in the beginning?
Your Honor, I believe that was Lael 4, and I think there was a bit of confusion. I didn't realize that there were two motions, so she doesn't know to be here. I will text her, but I think she was done for the day. So
she was done for the day.
Also, if someone could just send me the mother's phone number, perhaps before we go to break, I can do two birds with one stone and call the mom right now.
Well, I don't know. Mr. Lasalento, do you have her number?
Yes, Your Honor. I will get it to you right now. Is she outside the courtroom?
No, shut it, please. She is right. She is listening to everything that's going on. I have her muted right now. So right now she's muted. But everybody doesn't need to know the phone number. If you can just let Ms. Horton know what it is, I'm going to just let I'm just going to let Mother know. Mother, I'm unmuting you. I'm just letting you know that Ms. Horton is going to be calling you, and I have relieved Mr. Lasalento from your representation. Okay?
Okay, understood.
Okay, and so let me see. I'm going to mute. Let's see. I'll just mute everybody. I don't know if that'll work, but we'll try it. Okay. All right. We're not on the record, so why don't you go ahead and Mom, and let Ms. Horton know what your telephone number is, okay? Okay. All right. Thank you. So I'm going to have you hang up now because Ms. Horton's going to call you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
In the minute order reflect on relieved, or do you want a specific order?
No, I will take care of it. Mark will issue an order saying that you're relieved.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stay safe.
All right, and
Thanks for using WebEx. Visit our website at www.webex.com.